Okay. Oh, look at this patchy beard. I grow it out a couple times a year just to bug my buddy Jesse at work. He tells me I look like a bum. Oh, I'm a bum. Anyways, I got over 100 pictures for the new Wood Spirit Carvers video. And that's what this video is going to be. There's the first two pictures are from the award, the giveaways I was giving. The first one is Liz for the 5,000 subs. She lives in Oregon, United States of America. And the picture is her holding the wood spirit she won and one of her own first wood spirits. And it's pretty damn good job, Liz. Keep up the good work. You can sell that one that you carved, no problem. And the second one is Glenn from Montreal or Quebec. Which is it again, Glenn? I've asked you 5 times. He's a seasoned carver. And he does wood spirits and like pine knots and stuff like that. So you'll see his carvings. They have some paint. He paints his carvings, his wood spirits. And so Glenn, do you speak French? Or is it only English? I don't even know how to speak French. They say us Canadians are all French, but I don't even know what French is. But I'm in British Columbia, Canada. No French on my block. Anyways, keep up the great carvings, guys, and I really appreciate it. And this YouTube channel has been a big, it's becoming a big part of my life too, to also source out my art and try and teach fellow beginning carvers, because I've wasted so much money on buying different types of burs and different types of machines and tools and stuff like that. And it's pretty damn simple, guys. You need a dremel if you want the flex shaft, and you need a carving bar. The carving bar that I like to use is the Kutzalls, and that's because I like to use them. Sabertooth are good burrs too, guys, but my choice is Kutzall. Simple as that. That's the bottom line, and that's what I'm going to be showing on my videos. So thanks for the pictures, guys, and keep up the great work, and hopefully I get some more pictures. I'll ask for some more pictures in another month or so, and I'll make another video. You know, hopefully these videos have helped somebody. I know they've helped a few war veterans out in the States there that were having problems, but they started carving, and it's starting to get them out of the house, get them out of the bed and stuff like that too. You know, in one of my other videos, I talk about myself. You know, you'll notice I stutter my words lots. It's because I got a brain injury, right? You'll see me say "fuck" when I can't remember what I was gonna say. I fell off a roof a lot. I talked about it in one of my other videos. I think it was a beachcombing video, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. But this video is not about me, guys. It's about you and what you're able to do, and you're able to progress. Don't listen to anybody about your artwork. Do it for yourself. Don't give a shit what they have to say. It's for you. It's for your mind. It's for you to create. Okay, I'll shut up now. Hope everybody's good.
dreams I've had. It's all about the life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind. Where am I going? I almost lost my mind in this circle spinning round. Where's my home? I think I lost my mind in something that can't be found.
Thanks, everybody. You all rock.